Long ago, in the heart of the continent, where baobab trees whispered ancient secrets, the talking drum carried messages from one village to the next. It spoke of births, battles, and blessings. But now, in this age of light and lightning, a new drum beats across Africa.
One not made of wood and hide, but of wires, codes, and screens.
Once, lessons happened under trees. Now, children in rural classrooms learn with tablets powered by the sun.
E-learning is breaking the boundaries of geography, though data remains a costly gatekeeper for many.
Welcome to the digital age. Welcome to modern Africa.
From the tech hubs of Nairobi's Silicon Savannah to Lagos' digital entrepreneurs,
Mobile money isn't just a tool, it's a revolution. Across the continent, fintech is bringing banking to the unbanked.
coins used to clink in cloth purses. Now, mobile phones carry shillings, naira, and francs.
Entrepreneurs are using smartphones to solve local problems, while grandmothers use WhatsApp to check on their farms.
Farmers now speak to the sky, not in prayer, but through data. With apps that track weather and drones monitor crops, Africa's fields are smarter, greener, and more connected than ever. When clinics were far and doctors few, technology came as a healer.
Telemedicine connects patients to city hospitals. AI diagnoses save lives, but challenges remain: connectivity, trust, and access.
Our stories no longer wait for permission, they go viral. From TikTok to Nollywood,
Young Africans are reclaiming narratives. Culture is being archived, animated, and exported. The talking drum now streams live.
But every revolution has shadows. The digital divide still splits rich from poor. Power cuts silence progress. And cybercrime grows, where opportunity outpaces understanding. Still, the new drum beats on. Across the continent, young coders, farmers, healers, and dreamers are rewriting the story. The future is not arriving. It's already here, and it speaks with an African accent.
My children, this tablet holds stories of our past and tools for our future. Learn them well.